Let's talk about various tips on how to make money with banana on this video. Starting with banana cultivation. One of the most effective ways to make money with bananas begins with cultivation. If you have access to fertile land in a tropical or subtropical climate, growing bananas can be a highly rewarding agricultural venture. Choosing the right variety is critical. Disease-resistant and high-yielding types, such as Cavendish or local hybrids, tend to perform better and provide more consistent results. Proper spacing, irrigation, and pest control help maximize productivity. Bananas mature relatively quickly, usually within 9 to 12 months, which means you can begin earning within the first year of planting. By focusing on best practices in farming, such as organic fertilization and timely harvesting, you can achieve a good yield that sells well in local or regional markets, reducing post-harvest losses for greater profit. A common mistake in banana-related businesses is the loss of fruit due to poor handling after harvest. Bananas ripen quickly and are easily damaged during transportation, so ensuring proper post-harvest care can significantly increase profitability. Investing in clean packaging materials, ventilated crates, and cool storage facilities helps prolong shelf life and maintain quality. Reliable transportation to markets or retailers ensures the fruit arrives in top condition, which can fetch higher prices. Forming cooperatives or working with distributors can expand your market reach, while exporters may pay premium rates if you meet their quality standards and certifications. Trading and reselling bananas as a business model. If farming is not an option, trading bananas as a reseller is another smart way to enter the business. You can buy bananas in bulk from farmers at wholesale prices and then sell them in retail settings such as fruit stalls, local markets, or through home delivery. With the growing demand for fresh produce in cities, especially for organic or locally sourced bananas, resellers can position themselves as reliable vendors by offering consistent quality and affordable pricing. Establishing strong relationships with farmers and securing dependable supply chains are essential to making this model successful over time. Creating value-added banana products. Another key tip for making money with banana involves turning the raw fruit into value-added products. Overripe bananas, which often go to waste, can be transformed into items like banana bread, muffins, pancakes, or smoothies that appeal to health-conscious consumers. Banana chips, in particular, require minimal equipment to produce and are always in demand for their taste and convenience. Banana wine and banana flour are also emerging as niche products, especially in health and specialty food markets. These products not only have longer shelf lives, but also allow for higher profit margins compared to raw bananas. Utilizing other parts of the banana plant. The banana plant offers more than just fruit. The large, durable leaves are widely used in traditional cooking and as biodegradable food packaging. In recent years, interest in sustainable alternatives has increased the market value of banana leaves, especially among restaurants and caterers. Additionally, the fibrous stem of the banana plant can be processed to create ropes, paper, and handicrafts. Banana fiber products, such as handbags, mats, and baskets, are increasingly popular in eco-conscious markets, providing another avenue to generate income from what would otherwise be agricultural waste. Exploring agritourism and farm experiences. Banana farming can also be turned into a unique experience through agritourism. By opening up your farm for guided tours, workshops, or fruit picking events, you can attract visitors interested in learning more about agriculture, sustainability, and organic produce. This approach not only adds an income stream through ticket sales or packaged experiences, but also raises awareness of your products. Tourists and visitors often become loyal customers, especially if you offer fresh bananas and banana-based products at the end of the tour. Digital platforms and banana-related content. In today's digital age, content creation can also be an effective strategy to make money with banana. Sharing knowledge through YouTube videos, blogs, or social media posts on banana farming techniques, banana recipes, or DIY banana-based products can attract a broad audience. Once your content gains traction, you can monetize it through ads, affiliate links, digital product sales, or even online courses. This method is particularly appealing to those who enjoy teaching, storytelling, or showcasing creative uses for everyday resources like bananas. Conclusion. In summary, there are many ways to generate income through bananas, each offering unique opportunities depending on your interests and resources. Whether you're growing bananas, trading them, processing them into value-added goods, utilizing the plant's other parts, creating experiences, or building a digital presence, the potential is significant. With a well-thought-out strategy and dedication to quality, bananas can become the foundation of a sustainable and profitable business.